Okay, class. So today we are going to be talking about color schemes, and the point of this video is to get you excited about the color schemes we're going to be talking about in class, and also to prep you for an assignment that I want you to do, which will be to take this color schemes that we learn about in this video and go around in your life and find things that match the color schemes we learn about. So first off, like we did in class the other day, we made color wheels like this one. And so because we made those color wheels, it'll help us to be able to recognize between our monochromatic, analogous, complementary, triad, neutral color schemes so that we can be able to learn more about them. So here we go. Okay, so here's a picture of a monochromatic room. I'm not sure if you can see it very well, but there you are. So it's using yellow. And so yellow, the tints of yellow are orange and yellow-orange. And then for an example of clothes that you can have in your own daily life is like red. So pinks are a tint of red. So I have pink pants and a pink shirt that go together. So that'd be a monochromatic color scheme. Next is analogous, which is usually, well, let's look. So analogous color scheme is when 3 to 5 hues are next to each other on the color wheel. Okay, so here we go. Blue, and then we have a blue, green, and then green. So one thing that would work is this. So we have a yellow green, a green cardigan, a yellow green shirt, and then a yellow scarf. That would be an analogous color scheme that would work perfectly. Next, we have complementary colors. It means also that they're opposite on the color scheme, the color wheel. So like red and green are complementary colors. Purple and orange. Well, actually, it's orange and blue, and purple and yellow are complementary colors. And so an analogous, the one we just did, would be yellow, yellow, green, green. And then the one before that, the monochromatic, are the shades of yellow. So, yeah. So the next one I have this dress. That's this turquoise, which is a shade of green. And then I have pink, which is a shade of red, which goes back to the complementary colors. Also, one of my favorite of the complementary colors is orange and blue. So there you are. And then next we have our triads. So yes, which I don't have. Okay, so now we're going to talk about a split complementary, which I'm sorry, I don't have a picture for you. Well, actually, I do. So I do. This picture of a woman. So here's a picture of that woman that I was talking about. And she is wearing a blue dress with red in it and then a yellow cardigan. Now for a triad, for a split complementary color, the cardigan, to be true split complementary color, the cardigan would need to be a yellow-green. This comes pretty close. And then this goes into our next color scheme, which is a triad color scheme, which is in using 3 colors that are equally spaced from each other on the color wheel. So we have, for example, red, yellow, and blue, the primary colors. Those are really basic triad. Red, yellow, blue. Red, yellow, blue. And pretty simple. And then we have neutrals. So I have a cream shirt with a gray cardigan. Gray vest, That would be a neutral color scheme. And then we have neutral color schemes with accent colors. So I have, if I can get it. So I have neutral pants, khakis, really basic, and then I have a turquoise shirt to go with it. So, yeah. And neutral colors would be like black and white and brown. Those are neutral. They don't really take much attention, and they're not found on the color scheme at all. And that's it. So, as we talked about all these different color schemes and things, I mostly did this so you could get a feel for what we're going to be talking in class this next time, and also what the assignment's going to be. As I mentioned before, I kind of want you to be able to recognize color schemes that are in your life, whether it's be your clothes or in your kitchen. Another example that I have of complementary colors that I just realized today was, well, of the primer, the triad, is actually Twinkies, like Hostess packages. So it's red, yellow because of the Twinkie, and then blue. And then cows are neutral, black and white, right? And then my cooking bowls are complementary, orange and blue. So I thought that was kind of fun. And so now I want you to go out into your house or the school or your friends, and I want you to either take pictures, and so you can make a slideshow, which I actually have an example for you that will come up after this video, or you can make a video like I made and just really briefly describe and show what each of these color schemes look like. And so I'm really excited for you to try it out, and we'll see you in class.